Hyperliquid hype is bouncing off all-time highs and now trading around $46. The big question, can it blast to $60 this July? Let's talk about what's going on. Hyperliquid just smashed its ATH at about $46.70, fueled by its Bybit listening and major DeFi demand. This thing is the volume is heavy. 24-hour trading is over $150 million with the massive whale buys pushing price action. So now let's talk about July prediction. Now for the clicker, what's next this month? Bullish scenario, keep above $46 and momentum cool drive hype to $60, a 30% pump thanks to Bybit and deficit flow. The base case is the most analytic expected to bounce between $45 to $50, maybe averaging $47 to $48. Bear risk, if it's fall under $42, we might revisit $37 to $40 before pushing it up. This line up to a CoinDex various deep projection. My final take will be Hyperliquid is a supercharge right now with listing defeat buying will and holding about $43 could spark run to $60 this July. But if it's support break, expect to test at $40 and $40. If you love this hype, hit the like button and subscribe.